Curiosity. It's what drives University of Minnesota researchers and the students who come here. The Center for Transportation Studies channels this curiosity to create transportation innovations and educate the workforce of tomorrow. Transportation agencies across the nation need data and tools to make decisions about transportation investments and to get people where they want to go. To help meet this need, the U of M Accessibility Observatory is creating a national accessibility data set at the census block level. The new data set is updated annually and describes accessibility to jobs for driving, transit, biking, and walking. AO Director Andrew Owen and his staff are using a breadth of sources for the data set.
Today, more than ever before, it's clear to me that transportation users want more than mobility. They want accessibility, and they want agencies like the Minnesota Department of Transportation to take on that issue and to understand what accessibility is.
Study partners will be able to use the data set and mapping tools for local transportation system evaluation, performance management, planning, and research. The study will also publish a series of reports for the 50 largest metropolitan areas. In the Twin Cities region, many job vacancies are in the suburbs, but many of our unemployed live in the central cities. Some job seekers lack the qualifications needed for current openings and increasingly for the jobs of the future. University researchers are examining both of these mismatches between job and worker locations and job and worker skills to see how the build-out of the regional transitway system could help close the gaps. The researchers, led by Yingling Fan, developed GIS maps showing the concentrations of the unemployed overlaid with patterns of job vacancies for the entire region between 2001 and 2013. They compared transit-accessible job vacancies for specific occupations to determine mismatch patterns. The team then developed multiple transit planning, job creation, and workforce development policy scenarios, generating similar maps for each.
McKnight Foundation focuses on our low-income people and places that have been left out of the picture previously. Dr. Fan's research pulls these areas together so that policymakers can see how policy can connect and reinforce and support and provide benefit to the people that we care about.
Freight transport has a profound effect on the economic competitiveness of Minnesota. Researchers led by Tom Horan created a new online platform, the National Freight Economy Atlas, to help policymakers, industry leaders, and other freight analysts improve their understanding of the freight infrastructure and its effect on the economy.
The key to unlocking that understanding was maps and being able to see around different communities which industries were using freight rail a lot, and the economic impact of that, and where their products and goods went.
The Atlas, developed for the U of M Transportation Policy and Economic Competitiveness Program, incorporates data from several federal sources. It displays information in a series of maps. Interactive maps provide freight economy information geared to specific characteristics of the country or selected regions. Story maps tell an underlying story of freight economy dynamics, such as supply chain movements. Since the completion of the I-35W St. Anthony Falls Bridge in 2008, U of M researchers have been monitoring almost 500 sensors installed during construction. Researchers such as Carol Shield and Laura Linderman are using these sensors to find new insights into the behavior of bridge structures. A recent MnDOT-funded project that monitored the bridge's longitudinal motion was designed to give early warning to problems with the bridge bearings. It represents a significant step forward in being able to apply the past 20 years' worth of laboratory lessons.
Indeed, the bridge is behaving as designed, so the design specifications that were used were accurate in what went into the design was good. That makes us very comfortable as designers that our specifications that we're following are appropriate. And that was one of our big charges of that study.
The bridge is a living laboratory yielding critical insights into the design and performance of bridges, particularly in a cold climate like ours. Last year, CTS introduced the next generation of the Workforce to Transportation Topics and Careers during a 2-week summer program. 30 middle school students attended the camp, where they got hands-on experience with topics ranging from traffic safety to goods movement. The camp was part of a national program designed to attract and introduce bright young minds from diverse segments of society to education and career opportunities in transportation. Highlights included exploring maintenance equipment at MSP International Airport, getting up close to bridge construction on a St. Croix River crossing boat tour, and going behind the scenes in a Metro Transit control room.
To do that, we showed them a lot of our facilities. We had a lot of people that have worked with us for some time explain their job. And our goal really was to show the variety of professions and opportunities that are in front of them if they choose transit as a career.
These are just a few of our highlights from the past year. Many new projects are underway. We are driven to discover.